this video, we're going to do a little unboxing, and then I'm also going to create my Halloween bundle. So I'm thinking I want to do 2 or 3 glosses and then also a lip scrub. This bundle is of course going to be limited. I'm going to start off with this one. So I ordered some flavoring oils. So I get my flavoring oils from Amazon. That's where I like to get my stuff from. All you have to do is type in flavoring oils and you will find some that you'll like. So I got a watermelon flavoring oil. I got an apple flavoring oil. I've never used apple, so I gotta smell this. Let me smell it now. I might as well. It smells good. I use watermelon for my clear gloss Simplicity. The apple one is new. I really hope that this smells good. This is cheesecake, and I'm going to use this for my lip scrub. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't smell bad. It smells okay. It's not a bad smell. So we have a cheesecake flavor now. So I did need some more drawstring bags. If you watched the Pack With Me video, then you know I had ran out of these ones, the small ones. I had to use big ones. Let's open this one. That cheesecake actually smells really, really good. I want y'all to see this. Bruh, why? Why Amazon? Why? 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 Why are they like this? So this is my cake batter flavoring oil. I use this for obviously my birthday cake lip scrub and one of my nude glosses. So I run through this pretty fast. And I actually had received an order the other day for a birthday cake lip scrub. And I was so scared that I wasn't gonna have enough left because this wasn't here yet. But I ended up having enough lip scrub and I was able to ship her order off. Yeah, this is the pumpkin flavor. I gotta smell this one. Okay. It smells like pumpkin. Now I want some pumpkin pie. Okay, so we got the pumpkin. Okay. Then I also got some little decals. So I'm going to use some of these in one of my glosses. These are Halloween decals. And then we have another flavor. What is this? I do not know. This one is butterscotch. This is also a new flavor. Okay. The butterscotch, pumpkin, cheesecake, apple. Those are the new flavors. And then watermelon and cake batter are returning flavors. See, they got Paw Patrol on the box. How lit is that? Yep, this is my coconut oil. If you've been here, then you know this is the coconut oil that I get. This is nothing new. So we got 2 big things of coconut oil, which will last for a good minute. So yeah, this is everything that I picked up. Just wanted to do a quick little unboxing inventory. Now we finna go ahead and make some new glosses. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my signature Bond tubes, of course. These are 6.5 ml. They come with my logo on them, so cute. And it comes with a big dough applicator. I made 1 big thing of gloss and then I split it. I did it that way so that my consistency can be the same as my wholesale glosses and my retail glosses. We still want that same good consistency. So this is what it's looking like. super smooth. So if you do decide to purchase any of these glosses, just know you're getting that same good consistency. Very smooth, non-sticky, and very long lasting. So my oils are already in here. Now I just have to add the decals and the pigments. So I guess we could start with the clear gloss first, since that'll be the easiest. So I'm going to add my peppermint oil. I don't know why, I just always feel like it's essential to have a clear gloss in a bundle. I love for it to be peppermint scented because when you apply it to your lips, you get that very cool feeling, and it just screams hydrating to me. So we're just gonna mix that in. I really wish y'all could smell this. I love a good peppermint smell. You see it, you see that consistency. Really, really nice. Top tier. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna do 5 of each on camera with you guys, and then I'm also gonna make some content for my Instagram, so I'll do a couple more. So I'm gonna have a bundle available, and these will also be available separately. So if you do not want the bundle, but you do want a gloss, they will all be available. This looks so pretty. So this is the first gloss. Once again, it's the clear gloss, peppermint scented, and it just has the cute little Halloween decals inside. This is how the first gloss looks. Really pretty. I love how it came out. This is the second gloss. So it's going to be a purple color with different color sparkles. I decided to make this gloss cherry. Cherry smells really, really good, so I think that is the perfect scent for this gloss. This is so pretty. So this is the second gloss, a beautiful dark purple glitter gloss that is cherry scented. This is the third gloss, so I mixed two of my red pigments together. A nice red gloss. I don't know why, but I want this one to smell like chocolate. And this is our last gloss. This one is chocolate scented. Really pretty. Here are the swatches of the three glosses. So we have the clear, then the glitter gloss, and then the red gloss. So here are the three glosses once again. Okay, so I'm about to make the pumpkin and cheesecake lip scrub. Hopefully it comes out nice. This So this one is gonna stay white. I just have to mix in the oils and get it into the scrub form. And I just have to add the flavor. This smells so good, y'all. Don't miss out on this special lip scrub. Very limited. And I really want some pumpkin pie. I may have to look up a video and make it myself. I really want some. So here are the pumpkin cheesecake lip scrub. Smells like a yummy dessert. So this will be available in the bundle and also separately for a limited time. So if you would like one of these yummy lip exfoliators, make sure you click the link in the description box, shanayaosbeautybar.com, to shop. Now all I have to do is make a cute little label. I have no idea what I want to do, but I'm about to go to Canva and do that. And then I'll make sure I show y'all the finished product. So these are all of the products that will be included in the spooky bundle and also available separately if you would not like all of them. This is how the labels came out. It has a cute little cheesecake up there. So this is Magic Potions. This is To Die For, and this one is Boo with the exclamation mark. I couldn't really think of anything, but I thought those were cute. So those are names that I picked, and everything is available on the site. Support me, support the brand, and shop. I truly appreciate it. Y'all do not understand. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you'll be notified every time I upload. And I will see y'all in the next video.